This is the microchip PIC16f877A microcontroller. It's a mid-range microcontroller, 8-bit microcontroller. This microcontroller is using this 20 megahertz crystal, and the first pin is the reset. The reset is going connected to the positive supply using via this something around 30 kilo ohm resistor. Okay, pulled up resistor, and then we have two LEDs. One is this and connected to port 20 number pin, and this LED which is connected to 21 number pin. Both the resistors are of value 90 kilo ohm. And I have also connected it with the ISP, so the top PGD and PGC pins are connected to the programmer PGD and PGC pins. Okay, this, and this is the program which is written in MPLAB XIDE. And first we defined our external frequency, which is 20 megahertz. Then we have a configuration, and we selected HS oscillator for our external high speed oscillator. Then watchdog timer enable bit is on in configuration, and brownout reset is enabled, and LVP is off. Make sure LVP is off. And then we come to our, this header file is included xc.h, and then interest D. If it is 0, it makes the port as an output port. If then we define port D equals to 0 1. Okay, the first pin is 0 is high. Then we have a flashing logic. Okay, so, and in MPLAB, you, after writing this program, you go to production and then build main project. Then this screen will come up, and then here it will tell you about all the things that our compiler is doing, and it will produce an hex file which is stored in your directory distribution defaults production, and in there you will find your hex file. Okay, this is the hex file, and this is a pickit 2 copy. So this programmer needs pickit 2 programmer, and then you go into programmer, and then first you go into tool and click on check communication. It will communicate with the IC microcontroller, and then you click on file, import hex, select the hex file, click on open, and then you write the file. It will write the file, and then it says programming successful. Okay, and then you can see the two LEDs will blink.